Hello, my name is Tara Crawford, and my intended major is computer information systems. Okay, you guys, let's get right into it. Today, we're going to create a pivot chart in Excel. So, first, for our pivot chart, we're going to start by creating a new column and naming it gross margin. Then, after we create the gross margin column, we're going to insert a formula. We're going to do equal unit price minus unit cost divided by unit price and select enter. Then we're going to autofill our column by double clicking the green box on the side, and it will autofill all the way down. Next, we're going to insert our pivot table, but first we have to select an empty cell, go to the insert ribbon and select pivot table. It will select all the data that's currently in the worksheet and put it all the pivot table in the empty cell we selected and press OK. So to the right of the screen, our pivot table fields will populate so that we can build our pivot table. So in the field names, we're going to go and select sales channel. And we're going to put it in our column section. Next, after we do our sales channel, we're going to select ship date and put it in the rows section. We only want quarters, so we're going to remove years and ship date. We're going to leave quarters and months. So for our values, we're going to go to our new column that we created and select gross margin. I have to find it, y'all. Bear with me. And then next, we're going to select order quantity. And we're going to also put that in the values section. Now we have to edit these two values. So for a gross margin, we're going to select average. In our numbers format, we're going to use numbers with 2 decimal places after the decimal. Then we're going to select OK, then OK. We're going to do the same for order quantity, but we want the sum of order quantity in the number format and also 2 decimal places for our order quantity. Select OK, then OK. So now we created our table. So I'm going to scoot over so we can look at our entire table. So after we have all our data in our table, we're going to insert a slicer under the Analyze ribbon. We're going to select Sales Channel, and then we're going to select our product and press OK. Now we have 2 boxes that are populated under our table. These 2 boxes will control the data that we see in our pivot table. So if I select online, it will change our table and only show the online orders. And when I go to my product box, I'm going to select sculptures. I just have to find it. There we go. So we're going to select sculptures, and it's going to show all the online orders for the sculptures. That's our splicers. So next we're going to insert our actual chart for our table. This is what we came to see. We're going to select a 2D bar on the secondary axis. We're going to select OK. And then here is our chart for our pivot table. And what the slicers do, it shows whenever you select something different, like in store, it changes the actual chart. So we're going to go to online and back to in-store just so you can see the changes. So that's how you create a pivot chart. So why does a body have so many cells? Because so it can excel in life. Thank you for looking at my video. And that's how you create a pivot chart.